Isn't just for kids anymore. Adults can actually head back to the class if you're looking to complete your degree perhaps or even start one. You can explore all your options at Local 10's South Florida School Expo. That's tomorrow. Today, one of our special guests is joining us live in our studio to talk about an option out there to explore. Constance?
All right, thanks, Christy. Sitting with me or standing with me this afternoon is Adam Owens. He is with the Business Development Office there at FIU. And, of course, you're going to be there tomorrow in Aventura. Now, I know FIU now has an online campus, a little bit different than just taking online classes. Tell us about that.
Sure. Well, the format is different, but the experience is very much the same. Students will be using the same faculty that they have on campus.
Okay.
And it's the same learning outcomes that you experience at FIU's Worlds Ahead campus, just a little bit different modality.
So that's what it's called, Worlds Ahead.
Well, FIU's sort of brand tagline is Worlds Ahead. Everything that we do is Worlds Ahead.
So tell us how this is different. I mean, you're going to have to be a little bit more disciplined if you're taking classes online, right?
You're absolutely right. The experience is the only thing that changes here. We're using a lot of the same features and a lot of the same technology that's actually being used in our mixed classrooms on campus. We've been doing this since 1998, so we've got quite a track record of offering online classes, but the difference now is you can complete these degrees completely online.
So I never have to, like, get out of my pajamas, right?
That's right.
What are some of the other benefits besides not having to get dressed up for class?
I think to me, it's all about flexibility, and this is creating opportunities for people that otherwise wouldn't be able to go back to school. I was actually speaking with some of our students yesterday. One of them is a professional race car driver.
Oh, cool.
He started at FIU on campus, and his race car driving career took off at the same exact time that he started at FIU. So 10, 15 years ago, he would have been forced to choose. Now he doesn't have to choose. So he can complete his degree completely online, and he'll be graduating in time to get his international business degree.
Wow, it's pretty awesome and a cool option that's available right here in South Florida, especially folks who have to travel or whatever the case may be.
Absolutely. You may not have as exciting a job as a race car driver, but if you have kids or you're working or your financial situation has you that you can't take time off, this is a great option for everyone.
Okay, well, we look forward to seeing you tomorrow, and I hope you guys head out tomorrow. Remember, you can see Adam and all the other schools at our South Florida School Fair. It's at the Aventura Mall tomorrow from noon to 7 p.m. Christy.